Welcome to tab 4, the Add to Current Position Rules tab. So let's just recap what we've covered so far. So tab 1 was the auto trader preferences where we told the robotic trader when we wanted to trade and how many shares and how many positions. Tab 2, we covered how do we build our own portfolio if we want the robotic trader to focus on certain stocks, or how to go out and scan these 7,800 stocks that are available on these exchanges and how to scan for opportunities. So we covered that. We also learned how to open to set open position rules. So we've learned how to tell the robotic trader when to open a position. And now we're going to look at when to add to a position. So if you're setting up a strategy and your goal is to always be in the game, always be buying and selling, then you need to determine how aggressively you want to add. And when you build your strategy, you need to decide, how conservative you want to be or how aggressive you want to be based on your strategy. So it's always a good idea to take a look at charts on the stocks that you're going to be focusing on and then look at the range over a period of time. And when you look at the range over a period of time, you want to figure out how volatile that stock is over a long period of time. So then you need to decide how aggressive you want to add. So this rule on the Dow 30 strategies is already set in here. And what it says is my same symbol lowest trade price move is greater than the value of my same symbol highest trade price percent. So this is already in there as a template. So let's say that you want to make your strategy more conservative and add on 10% drops. All you need to do is click on this tab or on this box where it says 5, and you go ahead and scroll down to 10. So change that to a 10, and then all you need to do is click delete, and you will see that they're still highlighted up here. So you've got the 10 and you've got the rule actually highlighted, and then you just click add rule. So there it is, we've got it. So you just changed it from 5% to 10%. So let's go ahead and change that back to 5 and say that you want to be more aggressive. So you want to add if Alcoa, Bank of America, Cisco, GE, HPQ, Intel, Microsoft, if any of those stocks drop 5% and you want to add a position, then you would just click delete and then add rule again, and then you click on it, and there you will see that the robotic trader knows that you want to add on a 5% drop. Now, we don't necessarily just want to add on a 5% drop. Maybe we want to add some rules. So let's go ahead and copy our open position rules. So I just clicked on that, and what we did is just brought in our open position rules. So what we're saying here is, to recap, so if any of these stocks drop 5%, the robotic trader is going to start looking to buy another position, to open another position. But then it's going to apply these rules. So the open price must be greater than yesterday's close price. Then we've got the next rule. So today's current price is greater than today's open price. And then we have the final rule, which is today's current price is greater than the price 5 minutes ago. So in order for the robotic trader to open up another position automatically, all of these rules would have to be true. So that is how you set your add to position rules so the robotic trader knows how to handle your positions when the stock price moves against you. So you can once again select from any of these indicators and you can build any rules that you want. And you certainly can use the intraday indicators like the MACD and the Bollinger Bands if you would like to. We'll go into greater detail in future trainings, but they're all available for those of you that understand how to use them. They're here for you to use. So that concludes the add to current position rules, and we'll go ahead and move on to the exit rules.